Safe sailings. A traditional saying as vessels headed for the deep blue sea, expressing the hope for a safe return. Now we introduce it as our company motto: safe sailings, anywhere, anytime. A way of working, a way of living. Be a part of an organization that strives to bring accidents back to zero. An organization that learns from experiences and improves its performance every day. An organization in which information is shared. An organization that does not point fingers. In safe sailings, you are key. You take responsibility. He does too, and she, and they do as well. Safe sailings has no hierarchy. You are the example for everyone and for yourself. Never take your mind off the job. Never close your eyes. Never take any situation for granted. Take your responsibility and take action. Share your knowledge and your experiences. Give your feedback. Keep improving your work. Learn from your colleagues and let them learn from you. Together, we can make this happen. Safe sailings, again and again. Safe sailings, anywhere, anytime.